Here we are on February 2nd, 2021 with a little garden update. You can see we started some microgreens. I think we started these on Friday, maybe it was Thursday last week. And they're looking great. These are arugula, amaranth, radish, and peas. The peas always take a little bit longer because the seed coats are very hard, of course. The radishes look like they're ready to harvest. Looking really good. Over here in the AeroGarden, our pepper plant, it looks really healthy and it's got lots of flowers. It doesn't have many peppers though. Here's one right there. There aren't a ton on there. I don't know what's going on, but since the plant still looks healthy, we'll let it keep going for now. The tomato, on the other hand, is dying back. It's been a really excellent producer. You can see there's still some ripe and unripe tomatoes on it, and I expect that those will all be edible eventually, but yep, this plant's almost done. But really happy with how that went. Over here we have greens. This red one is chard, which just didn't really turn green. A lot of browning, a lot of dying back here. I actually emailed AeroGarden to ask why this would happen, because this keeps happening in this unit with any kind of green leafy vegetables we try to plant. So not sure what's going on there. This is our cucumber, and as you can see, there are flowers. This is the Harmony hybrid, so it's parthenocarpic, which means we do not have to pollinate those flowers. They should just turn into cucumbers. So excited to see that as it progresses. Okay, let's run upstairs. Okay, in contrast to the large AeroGarden down the stairs, greens do fantastically. In this smaller AeroGarden, we've got some cilantro, parsley, romaine lettuce, savory, which we've taken a ton off of. And this has been really successful, and it's about done. You can see that the romaine is so tall and close to the light that the leaves are browning. So at this point, I'm probably going to harvest all of this and then clean up the AeroGarden so that we can replant it and fill it with lettuce. And you know what? That'll do it for today. Just a quick video. Looking forward to getting started planting things for the outdoors in just a few weeks here. Thanks for watching.